Okay, so good morning, all of you. Welcome back to DevOps sessions. Am I audible, guys? Anyone please confirm from online? Yes, perfect. So, okay, Git branches. Yeah, you too also. Happy Shivaratri to all. That's what I can see. The attendance is very less. Ah, they have already started some Jagaram, right? Hmm? What? What? Happy holiday. When? Okay, for them. Even God also will help you if you do something only, right? That is, I think everyone knows that, right? Yeah. Then great. You do something and you can ask something to God. If you do 95%, we can ask 5% to God. If you do 5%, 95% God will not do, right? Then we are in good place. Sir, holiday. When? Okay, take today holiday. Okay. God is everything. Yes. God is everything. God is hope, Without hope, you can't do anything. Hope is the one we can survive the positive way. Hmm. Yeah. So, so today, yeah, God is hope. So we are going to continue Git branches. It's a very, very important concept. The Git branching strategies are very, very important and very easy also. Okay, very easy also. Okay, Hara Hara Mahadeva. Can we start now? Happy Shivratri to all. Okay. So did you complete yesterday Git strategies, pull and push? You got it right? So you need to understand one thing. Whenever you can use the Git pull, and after that you have to merge it, right? So merge commit will come, right? The difference between git pull and git rebase, I will show you. If you are using instead of git pull and merge, we if you can directly give git pull hyphen rebase means no need to merge it. It will take everything. Okay, that it will whatever commit is creating new commit, right? Will not create a new commit. It will adjust into the existing commit only. That is git rebase. We can discuss in the rebase anyway. Mm. That's what I'm saying. I will show you. Don't worry for this. Git pull rebase also will show you. If I show all the comments one time, may you confuse. That's what. Okay, Git branch strategy. First, we can understand what is the importance of branches. If no branches, what are the challenges? Okay. For example, guys, for example, in any company, we have a different environments in the project, especially dev, test, prod. Dev means development environment. Test means testing environment. Prod means production environment. Production means live. That is the final one. So just for understanding, we can discuss the first environment, then we can move to the branches. So guys, so in any company, usually they can follow the branches. Okay. So here, if you can see here, you can consider here is the person. Okay. For example, developer. So in any company environment, we have a sentiment place, I think. Okay. Developers, yeah. So developers working in first dev environment owner, right? They are developing something. After finalize everything, yes, we have a developed code. Okay, we have a develop a code. So while developing time, they need to push the changes into dev branch. Dev branch means dev GitHub branch. Is this clear, guys? So they can just all developers sit and send the code to dev branch and take and work together all something whatever we discuss. And once we completed for login page, for example, login page or something notification related stuff, whatever it is. Yes, this is a final one. So you just inform to them, yes, we have developed the task, whatever you have handed to me, we can hand out to testing team. So here one person is there to manage all the things. Maybe your team lead, maybe your manager, maybe your client. They verify these things, what developers done in the dev environment, dev branch. If everything is good, they will merge into test branch. Is this clear? Whenever I merge into test branch, whatever here there, everything is also reflected into test branch. For example, here, file one is there, or app.py script is there. Okay, app.py script is there. Okay, this script is looks good. Then you can merge it into test branch. Now testers can pull clone from the test branch. Testers also giving the report. Yes, whatever developers are created, that is correct. No issues. Okay, then we can move to live. For that, maybe same person or other person as per the your company strategies, the person can allow to merge into production branch. So which one is the final one? Here all whatever you code is that this is the final one. You can move into host it into server. Is this clear? Sir, here no servers. Here no servers. Here also servers are there. To test it, test server is required, right? And developers also test it while developing them. That will also one server is required, right? So locally it is working, but we need to verify into the cloud server, any server, right? Remotely. For that, they have hosted this and checking and everything is good. Then my question is to everyone here. What is the difference between dev server, test server, production server? Inside code is same. Inside code is same. All servers are same or different? Huh? Same or different? Shravan, We can discuss later. We are in the branches. Please don't confuse others with your questions. Okay. We can discuss the rebase topic. I clearly told you the topic is pending. If you ask, others may check your message and think what is rebase, what is rebase. They forget for Git branches concept. Okay. Tell me guys, what is the concept here? The servers all are same or different? What is the difference? Very good. What is the difference? Code is same, but hardware is same. Why? Yes. Hardware is different. Why? Why hardware is different? Anyone? Production has more hardware. Why? See guys, just leave it for production now. Dev server. How many of you access dev server? Only developers, right? Right or not? Same code you are hosting into test server. Just clone from the test branch. You have host the test server. How many of you test here? Below 10 members? Okay. After test it, you are going to host in the production server. How many of you access? So many, thousands, lakhs. In that case, all servers are not same, right? Clear or not? Same process. Can we maintain same configurations for all servers? Production also same configuration, test also same configuration, dev also same configurations. I mean, taking as a reference for production configurations. Is it good? Is it good? So we need to pay more. Why dev server for more configurations? Only 4 people, 5 people, right? To test the application. You're not supposed to go with MFL large, CFL large. Only for 4 or 5 people. Same test also. But production is not like that. Many people are going to access so that we can give the more hardware. Clear, guys? Okay. Anyway, the concept is dev, test, production. So definitely we are going to create a 3 branches as per the company strategy. Each branch, we are going to name it as a dev, name it as a test, name it as a production. But here one more question we need to understand. Sir, can I merge directly my code into test? Can I merge my code into directly production? No. You don't have access in real environment. You have only access development environment. Clear? Maybe test environment. But production, if you push means, but your code others should validate, right? For example, if I allow to developer to, you can merge it into production branch means, if you do some mistake here, your code, some mistake is there. Already users are accessing your server existing code. Right or not? Existing code. If you push wrong code into production branch, means here wrong code is there. This wrong code, definitely the Jenkins job will take and host into server as per the pipeline. Pipeline is means what? Whenever changes will come into Git, it has to take care and host, deploy into your server. But Jenkins don't know, right? These are the correct, these are the wrong configuration. I mean, wrong code, right? To the job is to Jenkins, it has to update new things, new changes. That's it only. If you push wrong things, as per the event, Jenkins will run. Jenkins will deploy into wrong code into your server. All users can see the page not found or whatever issues. So we should not give access directly production branch. So you also, I think you can manage for 3 years experience, guys. No one can give the live branch access to you. You can push your change. You can push your changes into dev or test. They can validate and they can merge. You don't know when they can merge also. Clear or not? Okay. In the same thing, again, the dev test prod. And in the development side also, we can create personal branches. Why? Developer 1, developer 2, developer 3. Same thing. So here, D2, understand guys carefully what I'm saying. Don't think much other things, please. If your focus is not here, it's very difficult to do the lab. That I can say. D1, D2, D3, guys. Now, if D1, D2, D3 all are working same branch, conflicts will come. That's what we have seen already yesterday. Clear or not? What type of conflicts if both all are working with the same code, all are working with the same repository, if it is the same file or different file, every time you need to pull and push. For example, guys, you just understand one thing. Developer 1, developer 2, developer 3. Developer 1 is a 10 years experience guy. Okay. Developer 2 is 5 years experience guy. Developer 3 is fresher. 3 are working with the same branch. 3 are working with the same code development. That is, for example, some repo, sample repo, any sample repo in the Git. Same repository, same branch. So developer 1, developer 2 almost done the project. 90% code. 90%. This guy apply some changes on the 90%. He added something. Make it 100%. But wrong things all. If he push the changes into here, these two will gone or not? Gone or not? So whatever recent commit is, whatever it's overwrite to everything, right? If your file 1, file 2 is there, the conflicts we can remove means it will update into your latest commit data. Whatever he implemented D1, D2, developer 1, developer 2, all are gone. Yes, we can collect from the your working directory. That is a different story. We don't know, right? Maybe you have deleted the working directory. You have changed your laptop at the time. We don't know, right? You forget to clone your repository. This guy is pushed into that same branch, same repository, all are working same branch. It will update into wrong code. New code all gone, right or not? So again, the issues will come. For that, everyone can create the separate branches. This guy, hey, I'm done. This guy, hey, I'm done. The 10 years experience guy verify these things. He allowed to merge it into dev branch. This is the correct process. Clear? Same thing. Who can verify this development and task? Some more person is a senior. He can verify and move it into the test. Hey, you can test, developer done, all done. Same, testing team also. Yes, we are done. Same, in testing team, no need to create branches, right? They are not developing anything. They are testing it. Existing branches. Again, sir, can we create testers also branch? Not required. Testers are doing existing environment to test it, right? They are not creating anything. Okay, testing team giving some report. Yes, these are looks good. Now, one more person will come into the picture. It will validate and allow to production branch. This is step-by-step process will work in the real environment. Clear? Anyone has any doubts on this topic? Sir, how many branches you can create? You can create number of branches. No one will ask you. But finally, you need to merge it into your upstream branch, right? Your upstream branch is for what? Development branch. Once you merge it into development branch, your branches, you can delete it. Not required, right? For example, one repository you are working on it, the task is finalized, you are moved to development branch. Now you don't need to maintain your personal branches, right? Your personal branches, you are working with the same repository. Your repository already finalized and move it into the dev. Now you can remove your branches, no problem. These are personal branches. Now, if you get other tasks, again, you need to clone it, right? Other repository, you need to clone it and start the create a branch and start your work again. So if you're starting your work, your first job is to clone the repository, create a branch, start your work, whatever it is. If you do mistakes also, no problem. Again, you can clone it, right? If you're working on the same branch, if you do anything, everything will gone. Clear or not? The practice, what you need to do, you need to create your special branch. You can name it as your name, whatever it is. If you do something mistakes or whatever, what and all, and every day, so entire day you done mistakes, no problem. Until you merge it into main branch. Clear or not? If you merge, what happened? Your changes will update into that merge main branch. Clear or not? Understand the theory? What I'm saying, guys? That's what we are not allowed to that guys to merge request, merge permissions. You can complete your task and push into your branch. We'll verify and we can merge it. Clear or not? Any questions? Yes, definitely. Very good, Sham. Yeah, very good. Imran, you are also right. See, again, we need to understand here. Conflicts, when the conflicts will come. The three guys are working, right? Three guys are working. This guy already pushed the some app.py file. Okay. It is pushed into main. Now this guy also working app.py. He also give some references for changes in the code. He's try to merge. At that time, it will ask, right? Which I need to follow, this one or this one. So both can sit together. Which one is correct? They can finalize and they can add and push it. Same like yesterday. Is this clear? Any questions so far? Any questions online team? You can ask any questions, no problem. No questions. CC. Guys, I need response from online for further action. You and me always on the track. Otherwise, yes, great. Okay. So this is theory part. We can discuss on the branches in the practical part now. Okay. Let me connect my instance now. Okay. So I don't have any repository at this time. I need to clone the repository. So we can discuss everything now from the scratch again. Okay. Now, guys, how the project will start. So there is a dev branch. There is a dev branch now. Just assume it now. Our main branch. My main branch is already there, right? Main branch. If you are focused now, you can easily understand now. So in my end, already remote repository is there, main branch. The branch is main. Okay. So now already one team person is working here. So dev one. Leave it for test branch, production branch. Just anyway, one branch example is fine. So this guy already pushed the changes, but before pushing, he's created his branch. Branch name maybe anyone. You can give Naresh branch. He's created on his name and pushing the changes here and pull here and doing the task every time. Once it is finalized, 30% got task complete means. So after verify is senior, he is allowed to merge his changes into main branch. You can understand now. For example, here file one. Okay, file one contains so AWS DevOps. Okay, file one contains, but already existing file one already there. But in that file one only AWS is there. Okay, once he push, DevOps also will come, right? But Naresh branch already AWS DevOps is there. Okay. Now your TL or manager verify this thing. Yes, it is correct. Means whenever he merge his branch into main, these changes will reflect where? Main branch. This is clear. Now DevOps also will come right here. Clear? For example, he deleted AWS DevOps also. Enter then. He pushed to Naresh branch, his personal branch. Other senior guy is merged into main. What will happen? This two will gone. Clear or not? Now, one more Mutyam join into team. Okay. You know the Mutyam, right? Yeah. So what Mutyam? Huh? So whatever door he came, back door or side door, D3 guy. So he just asked to this guy, hey, can I start my work? Can I show my performance? Yes, you can. Good to go. As per his confidence, hey, he has a good confidence. And you can start a work. Immediately he cloned the repo directly into his mission. He's added some stories, something. This guy is, hey, you done or not? Yeah, I'm done. I'm just about to push only my code. Okay. He's not asking this guy anything. He's also listening everything. What? He's not asking anything. Okay. Immediately push. Okay. So here, instead of AWS DevOps, he is adding XY. Immediately push to main branch. Both are working same repository, right? Same file or different file. Now, is this changes file one, he made it into XY. If he push file one into main branch directly, if he has access, what is the content here? XY. Clear? So be careful with Mutyams. Okay. So what happened? So what is a good practice now? What is a good practice? He has to clone the repository from main first. Immediately, he need to create a branch. His branch, whatever Mutyam of name, Mutyam branch. He start work. He start work here to here, here to here, here to here. Hey, I'm done. What you done? I have just development something AWS DevOps Python. Okay. Just he's verify that. Oh, you are good. You have done looks good. Now immediately what he need to do? Your senior. What he need to do? Merge it into main. Now here content is what? AWS DevOps Python. Two files will be there or same file? Only same file. Two files will not create with the same name. You know, right? So it has changes into this file one. Is this clear, everyone? No? Now one more question to everyone. Create branch from the branch. I mean, you are working with main branch. If you create your branch, all files will come to that branch or not? That is the important point here. If you create branch from the branch, all files will update into your branch. That's what he is whenever clone here, okay, into his branch. At that time, what is the files? AWS DevOps while cloning time. Once create branch from the main branch to Mutyam branch also, here AWS DevOps will come immediately. I mean, whenever branch will create from the branch, it will update existing content. After that, he added Python, right? And push it into main branch. Now, one more person will come. Clone means AWS DevOps Python will come. If he create branch from this main branch, again, these three files will add into the respective branch. You can add your content. You can push it into your branch from that, merge it into main branch. This is the process will work in the real time. Is this clear? So simple thing, Sharma. We need to create branch from where? Updated one. We need to create branch from updated one, right? Updated one is what? Main. You need to start work where your seniors or colleagues leave, right? You need to create from there only. If you create branch from your friend branch, he is also doing activities. We don't know if these are right or not. But create branch from the main branch means main is final branch, right? In the development final branch, it is a working code. You can clone from the working code, add your things and push into main branch again. But if you are creating branch from your friend branch, whatever branch, that is not final one. Again, you both are in trouble. I think you are clear. Is this clear, everyone? The branching strategies and something are? Roshan, very good. Is asking something. Sir, developer to clone the past link. Okay. If you clone means files will come, right? Here, no need to verify developer one, developer two. If you clone means all files will come into the local. What is the relation between developer one, developer two here? Okay. In your case, I will come into your point. Developer one is able to clone the repo. You can see, right? Then you are good to go. Why again developer 2 is not unable to clone? It is a different system or Windows system. Maybe something issues there where. Or if you clone now, if you add something push means, again clone means it will come everything. So for that, are you able to run git commands or not? First verify it. Okay. Are you able to run git commands or verify in the developer 2? If you clone means, if you put, okay, do one thing. Once you push the changes, go and verify your remote repository, those changes update or not first. Open your GitHub account. If update means, if you clone means definitely will come right. Think in that way. Okay, next question from, if the dev has their own branch, okay, your question I can ask one more way. If the dev has their own branch means dev has to create, right? Who create? Who create for developer branch? You only create, right? You are saying after create branch, you are asking question. I'm saying you have to create a branch, you have to start the work, right? So if the dev has their own branch in remote, can he push the code twice? You can push the code 100 times, 1000 times. It is your branch, boss. Is this clear? But merge into the main, you are not an authorized person. That's what I can say. One time, multiple times, it's not at all. You can push anytime. Yeah. We can raise the pull request. The pull request is means to verify the details. That's what I'm not using the term like a pull request. May you confuse that? That's what I'm using the term here. Whoever team lead managers are there, they will verify your changes, they will merge. That's what I can say, right? Yeah. Can we clone other developers branch? Why, Raju? Why? You need to clone which one first? Final one, right? You have a final branch. Hey, boss, this is correct one. You can clone it means why you need to clone others branches? Again, conflicts will come, right? You are going with other branch. Other branch means again you are saying, hey, can I work with your branch? I will raise some confusions to you. Your work is good now. I will give disturbance to you. You're saying that indirectly, right? So why you are creating separate branches? To remove our conflicts. Conflicts will come final time, not every time, right? Very good, Raj. Clear, guys? Cleared all questions? Any questions pending? One more message. Roshan, same question. I just now I spoke with this, right? What is the DevOps role in this? Okay, what is the DevOps role in this? You have to integrate your main branch to your server. Your role is what? Final branch is there, right? Final branch we need to integrate to your destination. Final branch means your code is finalized. That code you have to take care of to take into next level. Clear? It's integration or deployment. Is this clear now? So as a DevOps team, you should not configure the dev branch to main server, but you have to configure dev branch to dev server, test branch to test server. So testers will ask, can you create a one server for me to test my code? Clear? Here testings are two type of testings, code testing and configuration testing. Configuration means pipeline testing. For example, directly you can configure your pipeline to production branch. Maybe your pipeline will not work. Issue will come, right? So you have to create the same setup, dev and test also. Whenever developers push the code, immediately pipeline will run, it will update into your server. For this time, you are not enabling triggers. Triggers means every time you should not run the Jenkins, not required. Whenever developers say, yes, I'm good, that time you can run manually. It's a development time, right? Many times they are pushed, every time job will run. That is not good, right? Like that, you have to configure your pipelines into all branches. When I say all branches, not personal branches. Personal branches is your practice. Once you complete into main branch, this is the final one for development activity. Clear, everyone? Any confusions now here? No, right? As it what Git is saying now, Git is common tool for developers and DevOps. If developers are unable to push, developers are unable to pull, developers are unable to create a branch, some conflicts, whatever, the next person will come into the picture is a DevOps guy. He will ask, hey, I'm unable to push the changes. Can you please help me? As a DevOps engineer, you are the authorized person if they are unable to do it. You don't say, you are working with Git closely, compare with me. How can you ask this question? But Google is saying Git is a DevOps tool. Okay. So be ready. But issues will not come. Why? All are using separate branches. Clear? I will show you now. Okay, shall I jump to practice? There is a big question here. If developer one has main branch replica, why you are using different terms here? If you clone means same branch, data will update into your local, right? You can create that your branch. If developer one has main branch replica and developer one did some changes in clone repository, where developer one change the updates, clone means you are taking first time, right? Okay. So developer two what to update our top of developer one changes. So in that case, we clone developer one replica. Whatever your question, I'm not getting anyway. Your intention, I'm understanding. If developer one is cloned from the main branch, if developer two is cloned from the main branch, both are working. Once again, I'm saying both are not supposed to work same branch. So your question is, you are saying both are working same branch. That's what we have already done yesterday. Some issues we have faced. So we should not work main both branch developers. Clear? Yeah. Clear? Let me jump onto that now. For that, I'm going to create now. Guys, just focus, please. You guys are all on track. I can understand easily with your questions. But we need to focus so many things. So many things. Git is just 2% in DevOps. But coming topics are very easy, guys. Git is a little tricky. Okay. Believe me, seriously. Sir, how can you say, sir? Many people are saying Git is easy, other are difficult. See, once again, I'm creating a folder. But you are in my hands, right? I will take care of everything. Don't worry. Okay. So today attendance is 70 only, 69. I think 10 people are miss. Again, they will ask the question. Like, sir, yesterday I absent, but they are not asking like that. Sir, I have a doubt on branch. Simple. Anyway, my suggestion to everyone only one thing. Sir, what I need to prepare? First, attend every class. Then no need to say. You can understand everything. Where to prepare, where to stop. If you attend my classes, no need to say, sir, where should I start? You can understand everything. You will get a clarity in coming days. Yes, you are correct. Irfanful. Irfanul. So now let me go to, okay, let me go to, what? This is DevOps. Okay. You joined today? Online. Okay. Okay. So let me create one repository here. Okay. Let me create one repository. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll just clone existing one. Uh, Maven project. Okay. I'm going to clone the Maven project. So clone SSH means I have already my keys into my GitHub. Guys, one more thing. If you are cloning HTTPS, clear? If you are cloning HTTPS, if you are trying to push by using SSH, it will not work. Why? Your remote origin is updated HTTPS. Clear or not? It will understand you are going to push by using HTTPS only, username password. If you're trying to give SSH, you need to remove your remote branch, whatever is updated, you need to re-update into your git at the rate of GitHub. Git at the rate of GitHub means what? SSH. Is this clear? For example, I'm cloning git at the rate of GitHub, right? Immediately your remote update into this name, git at the rate of GitHub. So trying to, expect here, push you by using SSH key indirectly. If you are able to clone means by using SSH, definitely you have a permission. If you are cloning by using HTTPS, your remote origin updated HTTPS at the rate of something. At the time you are going to try with the push option, you will get an error. At that time, you can verify git remote -v at what we discussed in the last classes. Git remote -v, we can see what is my origin. If your origin is updated by using HTTPS means you have clone HTTPS. So reclone by using SSH and push it. Clear? Anyway, so I just clone my Maven project into my. Meanwhile, I'll just developer to also there, right? Git clone. Okay, what I can do now? Okay, let me check keys are there or not. cd.ssh. .pub. Take this key and update into my GitHub. Not this one, this one. Go to settings. I'll just add the key here. Something name I can give. Key already user. Name same. Let me delete. New SSH key. Branch. Okay, let's try again. Go to Maven project. Guys, don't focus on Maven project. Okay, just we are taking some repository. That's it all. SSH. Let's go to my EC2 instances. Git clone. Paste. Cloning now, right? Give ls cd maven project. So here also ls cd maven project. Okay. So both developers are cloned same project, but understand one thing, they have cloned from which branch? Main branch. These are the final projects working one. Now, for example, ls, so lot of things are there, right? Inside lot of things are there. If I do something here, if I do some change, this is working code. If I go to my Jenkins file here, if I do some changes anywhere, if I push means it may impact entire thing, right? Why? Already DevOps team configure the same branch with the your EC2 server to deploy this code. Whenever you push means immediately Jenkins will trigger, take this code and update into server. But Jenkins indirectly taking wrong code. They don't know, right? Whenever you push means it will trigger. System trigger, it will work once we configure. So for that, what I can do, sorry. So first I'll do my development here. For that, I will create my branch. Is this clear? Yeah. So the how to create a branch. What is the command, guys? For that, first I can check git branch command to check the list of branches. How many branches I have? Only one branch, that is main branch. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Now I'm going to create a my branch. Now I'm going to create a my branch. Why? I need to do practice something. After done the some activities, I will inform to main branch authorized person, hey, I'm done. If you're okay, you can merge it into main. This is the task. Okay, for that, so I'm going to create a one branch. Git branch, creating from where? Creating from main branch. So main things will update. Git branch, I just creating Naresh. Naresh is a developer, join into the team, is creating a branch. The command is to create git branch. You can give the branch name. Created. How to check? Git branch. See, main is there, Naresh is there. Okay. How to switch to Naresh? Git checkout Naresh. If you can see here, okay, name is wrong. If you can see here, its current branch indicates main. Whenever I check out to Naresh, I'm able to see Naresh here. Now, what you can understand, now Naresh branch is created. You can do any activities now in your branch, no problem. Okay. Now Naresh branch, do I need to create Maven project and everything? No, it will come from by default from the main whenever create a branch. ls, see all files are there. I mean indirectly you are cloning, whatever. Creating branch from the your upstream branch means you will get all files into your branch. Very good, Nageswar. Anyway, Rohan, so you just ping me personally in Telegram. We can connect and rectify your issue. Okay. After this session, 11:30 at around, you can ping me. Okay. So next, I'm going to start my work. I'm going to start my work. What I need to do now? So now I got a requirement to change the Docker file. So Docker file, something issue is there. You can do the some changes. Let me know once you are done. This is the task I've given to my Naresh. Immediately Naresh clone the entire repository from the existing one. No need to create everything, right? Already there, right? Create his branch and do the start the work. Okay, now Naresh is going to open VI Docker file. Something inside. He's going to change something. Port number is not 8080, it is 8081. For example, he is verified now. WQ and quit. Come back. If I give git status, what happened? Modified Docker file. It will track Docker file only. Git add all. Git commit -m updates into updates Docker file. Is this clear? Done. How to check? Git log. Okay. This is what, guys, whenever you clone the repository into your local, this is origin indicates, main and origin head indicates in this commit. Now you have added your commit on top of the origin. Clear or not? So now your head is there where one commit ahead, but it is in the Naresh branch. If you can go and check now, Naresh branch is there or not? Naresh branch is there or not? If I refresh, it will come or not? Why it is not coming? I need to push, right? Your change is still in local. How you can expect here without push? If you commit means it will not update your remote repository, right? It will update once you push the changes into remote. Hey, you are saying, hey, update into remote also by using push, right? But without push, you are expecting here no branch, sir. So I know these questions will come, sir, no branch update in the GitHub. So you need to push. Okay. Now one more question. If I push, will it merge into main branch? Okay. My Docker file port number I have changed 8080 to 8081. Remember that. Just copy this comment. They're saying just upstream set it. Done. Right? So now, immediately if you can see here, one thing, one reflection is there here. Hey, Naresh had recent push 2 seconds ago. Okay, just leave this at this time now. Now you can go and verify how many branches will come. 2 branches. Okay, so far clear? Any confusions? Now, if I go to Naresh branch, what is my port number? 8081. Is this clear? Now, if I go to my main branch Docker file, what is the port number? 80. Clear? Sorry. Clear? Why? The changes had to update into main branch. Clear or not? Now you just updated your details into your personal branch. Now I will come into the picture. I will verify it. Is this correct or not? Correct only. I will merge into main branch. Now your 8080 will update into 8081. Yes, this is the correct one. You did a great job. Now 881 means Jenkins will pick this file from here. I mean, Jenkins will pick or not anyway. This is the final code. That's it only. Clear or not? So the issue is my source code is unable to access to people, maybe port issue. Can you verify it? So that's what I have cloned and verified. Instead of 8080, it should be 8081. Okay. So I informed my team lead. The reason is port is wrong. So I have updated. You just verify it. Okay, let me verify it. Now I just open your branch immediately. Okay, Naresh, you have added 8081, right? I'll just discuss with my team. I think it is working with 8081. Naresh is saying that. Okay, let me check on this 881 manually in the any server. If it is working means we can push into the main branch. If it is working means immediately this guy, there is some request is coming from the Naresh, right? I can open this. I mean, pull request when it is updated means if he push some changes into his repository, one pop-up will come here. I mean, now main branch holder also can see this pop-up. We can see both one, right? I can see and my TL also can see. Okay, he raised some request. Some indication this is. Okay, some commits are pending. Do I need to add into main or delete? Accept or delete? So after verify it, yes, these are the correct one. These are the correct one. Go to Naresh branch. Okay, one commit ahead. You can click on that. You can see the change also. See, this is the first one. You have deleted minus. You have added plus. Okay, this is good. Okay, what I can do now? Okay, this is good. I'm open to compare and pull request. Means Naresh is going to raise this request. Naresh, after push it, hey manager, I have pushed some changes. I'm raising the pull request to you. Can you verify it now? No need to open and check his all checkings. Now, if I open pull request, I'm going to assign my manager this one, my manager ID. Immediate the request will go to my manager ID. Some notification will go. Until that, if he is not verifying GitHub, he don't know, right? He don't know some changes will be done, right? Immediately assign to Cloud Tech DevOps means I'm the assigner, I'm the receiver here. If my developer, if my manager is there, if I add this assign means immediately some pop-up will come in his end. Okay, something request I got. Just I open that request, he will verify. Okay, Naresh is implemented something. He's trying to verify. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is correct. Immediately what I need to do? I have assigned to pull request to my manager. So in manager end, it will show like this way. Okay. If it is okay means immediately what I can do? I can merge it. My manager is going to merge. I mean, your TL is going to merge. This merge request, maybe you know you have or not. Clear? If you know, if you have, you can merge it. Once discuss with team, hey, I'm going to update it this one. Is it correct? I'm going to merge it. But whether you maybe there is a chances to you have access dev branch or test, but production is not. Production is only client can approve. You are a client. Is this clear now? I'm going to merge the pull request, update Docker file, right? Confirm merge. Merge means where? Main. Okay, let's go and open now. Maven project. Now main, right? Just refresh. 881. Is this clear, everyone? No? This is the process we used to follow in the real time. Now, same process. One more developer. One more developer. This guy. You need to what? You need to pull. Right or not? Why? In his main, port number is different when he is creating a branch. Clear or not? So he need to pull. Clear? Now you can create a branch. You will get update 881 also. Otherwise, what you can do? You can create over branch. You can push it. You can raise the request to your manager. He will ask, still in your end, I'm seeing 881. Why? All developer one is updated, right? You haven't clone updated one. He will may raise. Nothing will happen. Clear or not? Nothing will happen. Now what he need to do immediately? ls. He is working with other one now. He is working with now. He is working with now. Same Docker file. What happened? Sorry. Don't give WQ. Huh? Okay. Now this developer saying that it is not Tomcat 8, is a Tomcat 9. So you need to understand here not the Docker file, changes only. Okay, you need to understand changes only. Sir, what is Tomcat 9? Sir, what is 881? It is not a right time to discuss that. Here we need to understand some changes, whatever changes. Till now we discuss file 1, file 2, file 3, right? This is little real environment, is close to real environment for understanding, right? So I have changed to Tomcat 9. I have changed to Tomcat 9. But you're doing right, wrong, right? You haven't created your branch, right? So immediately escape, give Q. It will not save the changes. If you can give it again via Docker file, still 8 is there. Okay, I haven't changed. That's what. Clear now? So what I can do now, if I can give a Git branch here, I'm able to see main. So you have cloned the updated one from the remote. Now what you need to do? Again, Git branch. This time you can give Suresh. Okay. Suresh, Naresh. Now Suresh is coming into the picture. Again up arrow. Main Suresh is there. How to go to Suresh? Git checkout. Suresh. Switch it to branch Suresh. Now Git branch, if you can see here, Suresh is there. Now if I give ls, everything is updated, right? Now you can do modifications. Vi docker file. This is not 8. In my intention, it is 9. Okay. Use some double or insert. This is 10. Whatever changes, done. Now what you need to do? Git, some changes done. Changes happened, right? Git status. You can discuss later. After class, please. Focus. Git status. Whatever you miss, again I'm repeating here. If you focus here, we will clear your doubt. Same thing I'm repeating in the Linux. Git status. Docker file is modified, right? Now git add. Git commit. Okay. Now I'm not explaining git log and something already we done, right? Now I'm going to push. It will ask. Push means if you can give git remote -v, what it will come, guys? Origin name will come, but which branch? Huh? See here. This is there, and if you push, this is there. But you are in which branch? Naresh branch. You are trying to push from the Naresh branch to main branch. Sorry, Naresh branch. But at this time, Naresh is not there in your remote, right? Next time onwards, it will take. Pull, push, it will take. But first time, you have to set upstream as a Naresh branch, right? For that, you no need to do anything. Just give git push. It will give some reference. See? You have to set upstream origin as a Suresh. Then only you are able to push. Otherwise, Suresh is not there, right? That's what it's confused here. Is this clear, everyone? Done. Now you can see your remote. Refresh here. Naresha, Suresha? Suresha. See, Suresh files updated. Tomcat is 10. At this time, sir, no pop-up. No problem. Go with pull request only. If the pop-up is there, go with that. Otherwise, just create pull request from here. Clear or not? Again coming anyway. If you can go code, it will come. If it is not come also, no problem. Click pull request, it will come same page. Compare pull request. Now is very important. You can see here, your upstream indicates where? Main from Suresh. No need to change here. If something different will come means here, you need to change here which branch you are going to do. See, you can merge into Naresh branch also. But why you are going to disturb him? All are working with main branch. Our target is main, not Suresh, Naresh. Okay. So Suresh is going to merge into this main branch. So, dear manager, please verify my changes. If everything is good, please give 1 day leave. Okay. So raise the pull request, but here you need to understand one thing. Assign to whom? Your manager. See, I'm the lucky guy. I'm the manager. I'm the one, anyone. Anyway, see, I raise the request. So this request will go to your manager. But I'm the manager here. That's what I'm able to see here. You don't think so? You are, sir, if I'm able to see this, can I merge it? No. But in my case, I'm the manager. I'm the developer. That's what I'm able to see this request. But if I assign to someone this page, he's able to see, not me. I don't know he's approved or not. Once he approved, I will get a notification. Clear? Okay. Now, this manager is saying that, dear manager, who is giving respect to me, please verify my changes. Okay. He is giving leave. He's asking leave. So managers, always managers, right? Immediately call to him. Sorry, I'm not, something is wrong in your code. Immediately the Mutyam is very clever Mutyam. Hey, I don't require leave. Just now my work is postponed. Let me check your things. I think looks good here. Your manager. Then you can approve it. Okay. Now manager is going to merge your pull request. Don't take leave. Yes. Don't give these messages, real time. I mean, you can give looks good, even take leave, no problem. Like me, definitely I will give leave if I'm there in that position. Done. So let's go to here. Your, sorry, came out now. Main project, main Docker file. Okay, still it is in process, I think. Huh? I did not click on merge. Huh? That's what still it is showing. Let me open that. Merge pull request already, confirm merge. Okay. Okay. See, sometimes if leaves matter will come now. You know, compare to all, platforms like in a government sector, IT sector. So we are having so many leaves compared to all sectors. We have closely, really 365 days in a year, right? As a software employee, can anyone guess how many days you are going to work in 365 days? Anyone? How many days? Very good. Kiran Kumar, 180 days. We are working only 180 days compared to all. If you can calculate with the government employee, close to 240. The difference, you can understand. So do hard work. Huh? God is there today. So you just work on it. 10 is updated. Clear? Any questions? Okay. Can we do the same process by using command? We're doing manual process, right? But this is a correct process by doing the commit something. We can do it manual process also. We can merge it in the manual process, but you have access to merge it. Is this clear? So you have already created branch, right? You have already pushed, right? To merge it, you come to main branch, merge it. So now, what I need to do here, for example, your manager now, your manager, So you push to your changes into Naresh branch, right? So what he need to do, git checkout to main. Now git merge. Which guy? Naresh or Suresh? Merging done. Now you can go Naresh updates there in your main. That's it. Is this clear? But you have access to do that. But your manager has access. That's what he is able to merge it. Clear, everyone? This is branching concept. So if you ask me, sir, what I need to prepare in the Git, you can prepare first, second days and this day, 3 days instead of 5 days. You can ignore yesterday things. Here, no conflicts, right? Is there any conflicts here? Why? You are working your special branches. You can pull, push also, no problem. Others are not coming to the picture. But while you are merging through command line, you need to check out into main first. Don't forget that. You need to check out into main and give git merge, which branch you are going to merge into main. If it is a command prompt. Is this clear, everyone, guys? Sir, now new task is coming to the developer. So where they have to start the task? Where I have started my task? From main branch, right? That also come from main branch. See, don't confuse Ramesh here. Here my Linux EC2 instance started from where? Main branch. I have cloned main and created a branch from the main and check out to branch. I have done some changes. I push to my branch. Clear or not? Difference between main and master. Whatever branch you have created, see, main means you cannot understand that is a main branch. The branch, final branch, you can give any name. It is a master, main, or company name, project name, whatever it is. But GitHub indicates default branch is a main branch. That is, Git is saying that. Few persons are creating feature branch, few persons are creating development branch, few are creating production branch, few are creating the name, the company name branch, whatever. The finally you need to understand which one is the final branch. That's it only. Once you go into the organization, you need to ask which one our final branch, which one our practice branch, from where I need to clone. You need to ask your manager or team lead. They will say immediately you can clone from there. You start your work and push into your branch. Then merging and all, they can see that. Clear, everyone? So 2 topics that you can see in the here, right? In the console itself, you can see. Already I have shown you, right? Previous is 880, now 881. You can go into the see in the console itself, like GitHub itself. Okay, let's now come. So guys, 2 topics I'm going to add for today. That is Git ignore, Git fork. Both are small topics, very small topics. Let me introduce Git fork. Git fork is nothing but if you like others repositories, what you will do? If you don't know Git fork, what you will do? Clone into your working directory. Clear or not? So cloning into your working directory, but it is not in your GitHub repository. What you need to do again? You need to push into your GitHub remote repository. 2 actions you have to do, right? But if you can fork, it means immediately those are reflect into your repository directly. For example, I have 2 repositories. I mean, 2 GitHub accounts. One is Cloud Tech DevOps, that is for your previous batch. For your batch, I'm going to create one new repository, new GitHub account. This is your super seniors. For example, I like this Node.js project. I want this project into my GitHub. Okay, what he need to do immediately? Click on that. For to my end, it is showing directly. It is also my account. In your, you can see, you can give your username and which name it is going to clone into your repository. Give it and create fork. And before that, I will show you in the Cloud Tech DevOps. I don't have any Swiggy project. Clear? I don't have any Swiggy Node.js project here. So Node.js project is there, Naresh DevOps Cloud. So in the Naresh DevOps Cloud, I just fork from here, this project. So here you need to understand one thing. You have already logged in which GitHub? Cloud Tech DevOps, right? That's what you are able to see here, owner. Clear or not? You can change it your repository name or keep as is, create fork. So it will present into my Cloud Tech DevOps also now. See, request also coming, Naresh Hotstar project is clone you. Now go to Cloud Tech DevOps. Go to repositories, earlier 9, now 10. Hotstar DevOps project Node.js. Is this clear? For example, and sir, go to Cloud Tech DevOps. You can go Terraform, for example. Why fork option is disabled here? Hmm? Already error also showing it clearly, right? That's what my cursor I put on there. Cannot fork because you are want this project. How can I fork here? I'm already in the project, right? Clear or not? Who can fork this? Others. Others, and it will visible. Clear or not? Okay. Let me show one example. I don't know anything. Just go to GitHub. GitHub sample projects. I don't know this guy, right? I don't know this guy. This is public. That's what I'm able to see these projects. Okay. I'm in which repository? I'm in which GitHub? Others GitHub. I'm able to see the repositories. Clear? Can I fork this into mine? Yes. Click on the now fork to. I have already logged in my GitHub. That's what I'm able to see here. Clear? Yeah. Is there any questions here? Sir, you are able to see this guy repository. Why can't you add your SSH key and change the things here? Can you do it? Why? See, I'm able to see settings, his settings. I'm not in Cloud Tech DevOps. I'm in something Nasdaq Garage. I'm able to see, just a minute. I'm able to see his account settings. Can I add my SSH key? Click on that. Why you are not getting this type of questions? See, it is taking into which? Your repository. Clear or not? If you are in their repository, if you are trying to add even, it will ask while after adding password. Clear or not? After adding SSH key, it is asking password. If you know his password, you are able to add SSH key in his account. Is this clear now? This question also clear? That is Git fork only. Yeah, very good, Shravan. Why all branches are not private? You are asking for their repository. I mean, their GitHub. If my branches are private, you are unable to access. You are unable to clone. Clear? I need to add your SSH keys into my GitHub. Then you are able to clone. Is this clear? Clear, guys? Any confusions? This is Git fork. So we are going to enter on Monday Terraform, guys. Pavan? Pavan, is there any urgent? Pavan, చెప్పండి ఎందుకు వచ్చారు? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we have a class tomorrow. Okay. We'll complete Git rate, Git pending topics. 1 hour we can finish it. So I'm going to discuss very important topic tomorrow is Git ignore. Git ignore is very important topic. I will discuss and difference between Git rebase, Git merge. If you miss yesterday class, you can join tomorrow class also. It will repeat for again Git merge, Git pull merge, and add into the Git rebase, and also added Git cherry pick command also. That's it. We can close the Git and GitHub. Okay, 1 week is enough. Okay, so we can do it, Nagarjuna. We can do it that process also, but not required that level. I mean, in our organizations also, we are not maintaining same Git different repositories. Okay, one project if you are getting means you are working with closely 1 or 2 repositories. We can add SSH keys. We can do it. That's it only, Nagarjuna. In our team only closely 10 people are there. We can manage with SSH key or token process. Not we are going to create users level permission. So if you are right when 100 people are working with the same GitHub repository, very difficult to add SSH keys for 100. In that case, we can go with that process, but we are not using in that process in anywhere. I hope you are clear, Nagarjuna. Okay, anyway, once again, happy Mahashivratri to all. Tortoise. Tortoise Git best practice for without commands. Yes. I missed today offline class. Who is this? Now come. Sir, next time the developers will pull the code to Naresh and Suresh. Again, the confusion here, you guys are. Sandhya, why you need to pull the code from Naresh and Suresh? That is not, final one is main. Clear or not? Why you can clone from your colleague's branch? That's what I have highlighted already in the starting. You should not clone from your colleague's branches. Now your colleague may delete their branch. Done. The task done, main branch. So you can delete your branch. How to delete the branch? Let me, guys, already class is started, guys, please. Okay. See what you can do. If developers not give right permission means your part is not there in the code. As a DevOps engineer, are you going to implement anything in your code? Then why you are right permission? You have to do the configurations with the your branch to your server, your branch to your Maven something. You are not supposed to enter into that code level. Clear? Don't think in that much. Exactly, Sandhya. Clear? Okay. Thank you all. Bye. We'll meet tomorrow.